Welcome to our channel One to Step. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your American Airlines account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for American Airlines Login just like this. After you search for it, the first option where it says Login, Aadvantage account login and password, click on it. And it's going to take you to aa.com. Make sure it takes you to aa.com. That's the official website of American Airlines. Over here where it says username, enter the username of your account. Where it says last name, enter the last name of you. And where it says password, enter the password of your account. And then click on where it says login. And if all the information you wrote above is correct, you should be able to log in into your American Airlines account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos just like this. And if you forgot your username, then you can click on this button as well to recover them. So that's it for today's video. Bye bye everybody.